Namaste children. I hope everybody are safe and fine at home. Good. Now we can start our EVS session. Now take your EVS Little Thinker book. Okay, this is our EVS Little Thinker book. Okay. Now see the second part. We are going to see the lesson 6 food we eat. Food we eat. FOOD food. WEVEAT eat. Food we eat. Lesson number 6. This is a favorite food. See, this is one favorite food. What food is this, It's biryani. Yes, good. It's a biryani, vegetable biryani. See here, many vegetables are here. And the egg is there, onion, coriander leaves. These are the favorite foods because in last class we saw many favorite foods. Okay. Next is about the raw foods. What and all the raw foods we can eat it raw without cooking? We saw. That is fruit salad, vegetable salad, all the small some vegetables we can eat it raw. Okay. These are the raw foods. Then you know about the cooked food. Cooked food we have to eat it or boil it. After that only you have to consume it. So this is all the cooked food. Okay. Next, now take page number 49. See in page number 49, your friends are coming home to play. See, your friends are coming to home for playing. After which they will stay. After that, they are going to stay in your home back for dinner. See, dinner will be having only in the night time, no? So they are going to stay back in your home to have your dinner. What would you like to give them? What you like to give for them? So you have to choose it. See, they have given you a list of food items here. You have to choose the food items from this list below. See this below and write them under the column. Write them under the column here. Food items I would like to serve my friends for dinner. See what and all the food items you are going to like to serve your friend. Okay. These are the list of food items. LIST list of 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 FOOD food ITEMS food items. Okay. Next, food items I would like to serve my friends for dinner. You may list a few food items of your choice too. Okay, these are all the list of food items. Okay, here we are going to select it. See, here we have given you all the food items name. From this, you can select what are the food items you are going to give it to your friend. Okay, see, the first one is the vegetable salad. Vegetable salad. See, this vegetable we can eat salad. You can eat it as raw. No need to cook. See, first one is the vegetable salad. Second one is the sweet. It's a jangri or jalebi they will say. It's the sweet. So it's a cooked food. Okay. See now this is the watermelon juice. See here watermelon. It's a they kept a piece here. It's a watermelon juice. This is not cooked. It's raw. Okay. Now see this is watermelon juice. Next is the ice cream. See it's so chill. Okay. Ice cream. Ice cream. Next, idli sambar. Next is the idli sambar. See, with the gravy, they have given you idli. See, 5 idlis and a gravy. Okay. Next is the meal. See, meal chapati, curd rice, sambar rice. Like they have given you dishes. Okay. Vegetables also. This is a meal, small meal. Okay, mini meal. Next is the cola, Coca-Cola. Okay. Next, finger chips. Finger chips. Next is the fruits. They have given you many fruits here. Next, cake. See here, cake. Next, appalam or chips. Okay, these are all the food items. Now, you're going to select what food you're going to give it to your friend. Okay, you have to select which food you're going to give. You can select jalebi, so that is jangri, watermelon, cake, ice cream. Like this, any foods or any item, food items you can select to give it to your friend. Okay. See now, see here, vegetable salad. VEGETABLE vegetable SALAD vegetable salad. SWEETS sweets that is jangri. Watermelon juice. WATER water MELON melon JUICE watermelon juice. ICECREAM ice cream. IDLY idli. SAMBAR idli sambar. Idli Sambar. Next meal, MEAL, meal. See, this is the meal. Next cola, COLA, cola. FINGER, finger. CHIPS, finger. Chips. Next fruits, FRUITS, fruits. Next CAKE, cake. Fruits, cake. Next appalam or chips, APPALAM, appalam, or CHIPS, chips. Okay, these are all the food items we are going to. Now you can select from this to your friends. Okay, next we can see about the healthy food. You'll know what is healthy food. See, healthy food is very good. Yes, it's very good to our health. Okay, it keeps our body healthy. Okay, we can see what is healthy food. HEALTHY, healthy. Healthy, healthy food. HEALTH, healthy. FOOD, food. Healthy food makes our body strong. STRONG, strong. Healthy food makes our body strong. It contains CONTINS, it contains PROTEINS, proteins. It contains proteins, vitamins, 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 proteins, vitamins, which WHICH, which HELPS, helps our body, 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 to grow, GROW, grow. Healthy, HEALTHY, healthy. Healthy food makes our body strong. See, it will makes your body strong. It contains proteins, vitamins, which helps our body to grow healthy. Okay, so everybody should take healthy food. Okay, we can see the image of the healthy food. Now see, this is the healthy food image. Here we have the milk, meat, fish, vegetables like carrot, egg, or like this many healthy food items are here. See, this is the pic of the healthy food. Okay, next. So you can see what is junk food. Okay, see, this is junk food like burger, pizza, dog nut, hot dogs, like this, chips, cake. Okay, these are all the junk foods. JUNK, junk. FOOD, food. Junk food. Okay, next. Junk food is not, JUNK, junk food is not good for our health. See, junk food is not good for our health. It makes our body, 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 fat, 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 and unhealthy, UNHEALTHY, unhealthy. Junk food is not it's not good for our health. It makes our body fat and unhealthy. So we should not eat junk food. We should eat only healthy food. See, these are all the junk food images. See the chips, popcorn, see lollipops. See, all these are junk foods. So you should avoid all these junk foods. But we all will like this junk food. See, it's very attractive and colorful, no? So everybody will like this junk food, but it is not good for our health. Okay. Next, see here. Let us see about what is junk food and versus healthy food. Junk food, you're not for me. Junk food, you're not for me. Junk food, you're not healthy. Junk food, you're not healthy. Junk food, you make me fat. Junk food, you make me fat. So, healthy food, you're for me. Healthy food, you're for me. Healthy food, you make me strong. Healthy food, I like you. So, say no to junk food. So, we have to say no to junk food and S to healthy food, because healthy food is our mom's food. Stay healthy, be healthy. So you have to eat healthy and be healthy. Okay, eat healthy and stay healthy. So you have to avoid junk food, eat healthy food. Okay, Healthy food is not good for us. Healthy food will not make us healthy. Healthy food are always, sorry, this junk food will make you fat. Sorry, junk food is not for you. Junk food will not make you healthy. Junk food will make you fat. Healthy food only is good for your health. It will make you strong and you have to like it. Okay, so I have to say no to junk food and yes to healthy food, because it is our mom's food, because our mom is preparing us the healthy food for each and everyone. So eat healthy, stay healthy. Okay. Now see here, next page. Your friends are coming to home. See what and all I told you, know what and all you are going to select your friends. So you can write. You have to sort them which is healthy, which is not healthy. Okay. Sort the items you have chosen to serve your friends into healthy food and junk food, because you all know what is healthy food and junk food. See, this is the healthy food column. This is the junk food column. See, you have to take it from the tabulation and you have to sort it out. Okay, say healthy food, vegetable salad. See, first one is the vegetable salad. Vegetable salad is healthy, it is healthy food. Next, watermelon juice. Watermelon juice is also healthy. Then idli sambar is healthy. Meal is also healthy. Next, fruits is also healthy. These are all the healthy food items. You can share it, we can give it to your friends. Okay, next, sweets like the jangri, jalebi. Next, ice cream. Next, cola, cola, cola. Finger chips, cake, appalam or chip. This is all belongs to unhealthy food or junk food. Okay, so everybody serve the healthy food to your friends, not the junk food. Say no to junk food. Now you have to fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Dash, they have given you 3 dashes. You have to write the junk foods what and all you usually will eat. Dash, dash and dash are the junk food I usually eat. What are the all the junk foods you usually eat? See, ice cream. See, we have given you many junk foods here. Ice cream, chocolate, burger. See, ICECREAM, ice cream. CHOCOLATE, chocolate. BURGER, burger. Ice cream, chocolate, burger. These all the three are junk foods. So, this you usually eat. So, from now, say no to junk foods. From now, I will eat fruits. Say all the healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts. FRUITS, fruits. VEGETABLS, vegetables. NUTS, nuts. Fruits, vegetables and nuts. These are all the healthy foods. You have to eat only the healthy foods. And say no to junk food. So you should not eat the junk food. So everybody say no to junk food. Okay, children. See, these are the healthy food and the junk foods. Okay. Next. Okay, by this, so everybody should eat only the healthy food and no junk foods. Say no to junk food. I will not eat junk food. I hate junk food. Okay. Thank you, children.